Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the lead and lag window function in SQL Server. Right. So basically lead and lag is the window function where we are like mostly we create the window on the basis of specific column, and then we can find the next row value or back row or previous row values. Right. To find the next row values we use the lead function, and if you want to find the previous row value we use the lag function. So let's see the data. So I just created the table name is sales, where we have the three columns: year, quarter and amount, and just inserted the data. Let me insert into values quarter one. Let me remove this one. Okay, we created the, I think this is from last create table sales. Okay, sorry, this is our correct table name. Create table, employee salary, and then employee ID, then name, salary and salary date. Right. So now let's see the our data from employee salary, and then we can select star from correct, select star from salary. If you see now, we can see the data. Amit. So basically, firstly, lead and lag is the window function. So we are going to create a one window for Amit and one window for Ravi. Right. After creation of this window, now suppose for the Amit, if you see the data, we have the first month, then June and next year. So 6 year data, like each 6 months data we have. So salary increased by, firstly Amit have the salary of 40,000, then 45,000 and then 50,000. So maybe sometimes you want to do calculation or analysis, you want to compare the previous salary and then like other operation you want to do. Now in case, suppose now what I want, each row I want to find the previous salary. Suppose now if you consider this row, first row, so there is no previous salary. But if I consider the 45, the previous salary is 40,000. If I consider 50,000, so previous salary is 45,000. So that thing I want to achieve. So how we can do that? So one thing I just want to give the tip, like whenever you're using the window function, it will not do the any summarization of the data. It will just create a new column. There it will show the respective operation value: lead, lag, row number, days rank, sum, min, max. Right. So somewhere like interview asks like what is the difference between group by and window function. So group by will do the summarization of data, but in window function we just create a new column, we don't reduce the data. Right. So let's start. Select, so we want all the column, and after all the column we want lag value, lag function. And lag function, we want to go back for the salary column. I can copy salary column from here. Then we lag the salary, but now we need to apply this function on the window. To create a window, we firstly need to do the partition by on the basis of employee name. So we are going to create a two partition. So now we are the two employees, so we are going to create a two partition, and then order by salary as a lag from employee salary. Right. Now if I run this code, if you see, I just want to like just focus on this one or the Amit, this row. There is no salary for the first row. Right. So data is ascending order. Right. And there is no salary for the first row, so that's why it's showing the null. If I come to the second row, the previous salary is 40,000, so 40,000 showing here. Now if I come to the third row, so previous salary is 45,000, so it's showing 40. Again, this is the one window, it will again start from the scratch. For this window there is no salary, so it's showing null. But 35 for the 38,000, for the 38 row, 38,000 current row, previous salary is 35, so showing here. For the 42,000, previous salary is 38,000, so if I consider this one, for this row salary is 35, so that's why. Now suppose we want to see the next row salary or next row value, right? How we can do, like suppose if I come to this one, so next row salary is 45, for this one 50, but here window is ending. For this Amit, the window is end, so there is no row. So after 50,000, for this row we will get the null values. So if I apply the lead function, let me apply the lead functions again, syntax is same. Lead, we want to lead on the basis of salary, so here we want to apply this function on the window. So how to create a window? Partition by employee name, order by salary as a lead function. And now if I run the code, just missed out the t I. Now if I run the code, so if we see for the Amit, if I go to the lead one, so for this row next salary is 45, it is coming here. For the 45th row 45,000, so next salary is 50,000, so coming here. But for the 50,000, so window is ending here, so there is no salary, so that's why it coming null. Again for the Ravi also, for this 35, 38,000 is the next salary, lead salary. For the 38,000, next salary is 42,000, and this one window is ending, so that's why it's showing the null values. So that's all about the lead and lag window function in SQL Server. If you have any doubt, any question, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.